Welcome to the Hotel Kaila speaking. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a deluxe room for July 10.
Certainly, let me check. Yes, it's available for how many nights?
Two nights from July 10 to July 12.
Perfect. May I have the name for the reservation, please?
The reservation is under Dian Ayu.
Thank you, Miss Dian. Could you spell the first name for me?
Sure, it is DIAN. Delta India Alpha November.
Thank you. May I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 0812 3456 7888.
Let me repeat that. 0812 3456
Yes, that is correct.
Lastly, call our email address to send the booking confirmation.
My email is dian034@gmail.com. I'll add your last letters.
Let me confirm. TIAN034@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that is exactly correct.
Which payment method would you prefer? Visa, credit cards, or bank transfers?
I prefer to pay via bank transfer. Please send the payment details to my email.
Certainly, you will send the payment details by email. Any special request?
No, that's all. Thank you for your quick and efficient assistance.
You're welcome. Look forward to your stay.
Have a good day. Goodbye.